If you would like to see how I made this cup using January's premiere pack, keep watching and make sure you stay until the very end for a special announcement. This month's premiere pack included the brand new rhinestone mix Urban Cowboy, along with glitter, a cowboy hat keychain, and the coordinating colors Amber and Mocha Turquoise. I also pulled in smoked Topaz, green Opal, golden shadow shapes, Mirage champagne, Mocha blue Zircon, black luster, and Ivory fire Opal. I'm starting with a 30-ounce skinny tumbler from Stainless Steel Depot. I taped off the bottom with painter's tape, then prepped the cup using Dixie Belle bonding boss. Next, I applied this design I created using ChatGPT with Cricut stencil vinyl. I'll be uploading this design to my website. I did end up making quite a few changes along the way, so definitely learn from my mistakes as we go through this video. I knew what the mix was going to be, so I tried to prepare and color the design before actually having the premiere pack in hand, which honestly messed me up a bit. I was trying to work ahead since it was the holiday break and I was traveling. My plan was to rhinestone while I was away, so I wanted everything ready. Even though you see me opening the premiere pack at the beginning of the video, I didn't actually receive it until after I had already started outlining the feathers using smoked Topaz and SS8s. As you can see, I didn't realize the white background wasn't going to work with the mix and the feathers until after I finished the outline. So I removed it and colored it in. Mistake number 1. It's definitely harder to color in a design once rhinestones are already down. Mistake number 2 came with the leopard spots. What I had envisioned in my head didn't translate well on the cup. It was given chocolate chip cookies instead of leopard, so I painted over those spots and hand drew the leopard pattern directly onto the cup without the background. For the sun, I used a combination of SS8 and SS6 Mocha blue Zircon, allowing the rays to gradually get smaller as they extend outward. I also outlined the diamonds and the moon in the same color and filled them in with Mocha Turquoise. Once I stepped back and looked at the cup, I decided I didn't want to rhinestone all of the stars. I added a few sparkles, but for the rest, I painted those areas white and added rhinestone shapes instead, mainly butterflies and stars. To finish it off, I completed the background using this gorgeous Ivory Fire Opal. And here's the finished cup. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you recreate this design or something similar, be sure to tag me. I'd love to see it. Also, next month's premiere pack will be a collab with yours truly, and I'm so excited to share what I put together. Make sure you snag February's premiere pack on February 1st, and don't forget to use my discount code Tiana10 to save at Diamond Fire Rhinestones. Thank you for watching.